Right, look what I spotted across the room. Oh my gosh. This is BLENKO. Alright, I'm at City Mission. I've been finding some awesome stuff here. Let's check and see if this is Waterford. No, I don't see any marks. I don't know. I mean, that could be Shannon crystal. It definitely feels like crystal, though. Yeah, I don't see any marks. I'm gonna leave them for, yeah, $9 for 6 of them, though. That's a good price. Here's a made in Japan teapot, and I'm pretty sure that's Japan. Ooh, pottery craft. Oh, it's made in USA. I mean, the spout is already, it's chipped. Darn, I kind of like it. I do wish it was different color. Here's an espresso. Cook's Club coffee time. Spit it out, Jeremy. I know some espresso, especially made in Italy or France, sell pretty well. Alright, well, I looked up comps on this brand. Probably get like $20 for a set of 4. And there's only 3, so I'm gonna leave that. These are still here. They're, pretty sure they're for a kid. Top quality. Yeah, that's why I left it, because it's chipped. Alright, look what I spotted across the room. Oh my gosh. This is BLENKO. Ah, it totally is. BLENKO pitcher. Double spouted pitcher. Cobalt blue. For $8. Yes, definitely. I did not just find that. Sometimes it's signed, the newer ones. Let me see about this weird looking. Alright, that's different. They're plates. They're charger plates. I don't know about those. I don't want to ship that. I'm not gonna lie. Oh, I see clock, but I have to look at it. The value in the clocks have went down. Yeah, that's just like a, someone just put that together. Oh, that's cool. It's one of those, you put napkins in there, salt and pepper. Japan for $3. I always like the pressed flowers, dried flowers, but this one is framed for $2.99. I kind of like it. I don't know if I could spend $3 on it though. Alright, I'm gonna leave it. Look at the cat. Ooh, this frame feels like it could be splinters. Put that right there. Look at her. I don't get it. I looked at these last time. They don't sell too well. About $10 for a set. Alright. This looks like needlepoint or a cross stitch. I think that's needlepoint. Looks like petite needlepoint. Ooh, which is worth a little bit more because it takes forever, a very long time to do the small points, the needlepoint. How much is that? $8. And it comes with an awesome wooden frame. I think I'll get that. Yeah, I'll definitely get that for $8. Now this is kind of cool. Oh, made in Mexico for $2.99. Yeah, this is Mexican pottery wall plaque for $2.99. I'm definitely gonna get that. I saw a nativity. Oh, that looks cute. All right. Mayrich Company for $8. I mean, that's different from what I usually see. All right, I didn't see any sold comps for this, so I'm gonna leave it. I'm just wondering if this would sell well on like Whatnot. I don't think so. And it's big and the shipping would be high. All right, I'm gonna leave it. There's the fishy. That is made in Thailand. Oh, jeez. That thing is huge. Look at the cute kitty. What's going on with the tongue? All right, let's see what year that is made. I don't see one. Alright, so I decided to stop at Goodwill, and so far I found, this is recycled glass and pottery. I've never seen the coasters before, and they're only $2 each. I really like the green. I wish they had blue. And then I found Mary statue for $3.99, and it still has a sticker made in Japan, so I'm going to spend $4 on that. Here is a cast iron pig. Is it a bank? I kind of want to open it and see the maker. I'm trying to remember the maker that sells the most. I can't remember. I don't know. That's $12.99. Here is a Raku pottery angel bell. This would be perfect for Christmas. It's $3.99. Could probably get like 24 to 30 for that. I can always tell because it's black and then the iridescent on the outside. Now, don't be fooled, 'cause sometimes people will paint the bottom black, but you'll be able to see like a white mark from the ceramic. So I'm gonna spend $4 on that. Now, look what I see over here. I wonder if those are newer. Let's go check. I'm gonna go around. Oh, this is a fresh cart. Hold on. And I see a cat. Oh, look how cute. It's a resin. Stone bunny. Oh my gosh. Temptations. All right. Let me check. Oh, that feels light. Passed. Okay, so these are probably vintage. I could just tell because of the sticker, but they feel light. I'm not sure who made them. I just did a quick search on eBay. Nobody knows who made them. Some people have it listed for 14 and sold comps 14, so I'm gonna leave them 14 each. Let's see about this. Ooh, look how pretty this is. Look at that, with a swirl. And it's hand blown. I see a mold mark here. Ooh, I like it. It's Amberina. It's $10. Well, let's check to see if that glows, because it is Amberina. If it glows, then I will get it. There we go. It does glow. It has cadmium in it. Okay, so I'll spend 10 on that. I'm not sure who made it, though. It just feels weird that it has this mold line on the sides, which makes me think it's newer, but I'll spend 10. If it doesn't sell for much, I'll keep it for myself. Or I can resell it and at least make my money back. A rooster! It's a metal rooster. It's not signed. For $2.99. It's a cute piggy. Cute piggy bank. Child to cherish. Oh, I kind of like that with a raccoon. It's a trash panda. Hey. That reminds me of Kate. I'm gonna have to send her a picture of that. Ooh, look at this. This looks like a mid-century modern Asian lady. For how much? $8.99. Oh, I don't know if I can spend that much. I can always tell because the hair and then the eyes. Looks like 1960s or 70s. Definitely mid-century. I can't spend that much on that though. Here is a... that's flashed on. Okay. A diamond quill shade. Glass shade. Oh, look at that. The fruit. That is wild, man. Oh, it's really heavy. I'm surprised there's no damage on it. How much is that? I don't think anybody would buy this. Tell you the truth. Like if I had it in my booth, it's $30. Now this, on the other hand, has a stone. Oh, that's plastic. Okay, never mind. I like it that it comes with a shade though, and a chimney. For $40. I'm gonna wait for that to go on sale. I might get it. All right, let's see if there's anything in the art. Oh, I like it with the butterfly. That looks like silk. For $40. I can't spend $40 on that. I don't know. If it's on sale next time, I will come back and get it. Oh my gosh, look at it. That's so cute. These are the mass-produced. Oh, I like it. These are, you can find these at like Marshall's. $6 each. If it was a little bit lower, I would get them and resell them. Doily. Oh, there's nothing like finding Waterford at a thrift store. $5.99. It's, bezel bud vase for $6. As long as there's no damage, I'll get that. I have to pick up. Wait a minute. Oh, look at this. Ooh, this antique glass. Ooh, how much? $20. That's too much for that. I've never seen it with the blue, and the paint is still on there. I'm gonna have to wait for that to go on sale because I can't spend $20. Could probably get like $40, $50 for that. Artland. Okay. Here's a Polish pottery. I'm not sure what that is. A cutting board? No, you want to cut things on that. But it has butterflies, and it's $10. I think I will spend $10 on that. Alright, I decided to stop at the Restore. Oh, it's 25% off. Okay, let's see what trouble we get into. Alright, got my cart. And, oh my gosh, look at that rooster. That is so awesome. 1992. So cool. It's broken up here. No. This made in Japan. Let me see what that is. It's a plaque. All right. Put that back. Noticing all of the pottery. Oh, we had something like this before. I believe that's Italian. This vase. JS. I mean, that glade, it's alright. I'm gonna leave it though. This right here looks like raku with a crazing. Oh, it totally is. How much is that? $5 and 25% off. I'm definitely getting that. Ooh, I love finding raku. You can always tell because it either has the cracking, iridescent, and the black bottom. Yes. Ah, look at the glass pumpkin. I love these. I mean, this one is newer. It's even marked made in China, but it's still hand blown. I love the color. 15 though. Even 25% off. I don't think I could do that. I keep picking this up. If it had a little color in it, I would totally get it. There's Michael's hat. Look at these two. Ceramic. Over here is the Capodimonte. Ooh, I only know that because of style, and I looked at it before. Alright, so I just found this awesome pottery. I'm pretty sure this is Mexican pottery. Wall plate. I love it. Look at all of the colors, the teal or turquoise, and then it has a lady sunflowers. Ooh, I love it. I'm probably gonna do that on Whatnot or Knickknack. I'm not sure yet. Let's check out the Christmas. Let's see if there's anything good. Hat. What about this here? Vase is newer. That's flashed on. So it's almost like a spray paint on clear glass. What's in here? Some tea light holders. Ooh, look at the trinket. Trinket music box for $1. Oh, I wonder if it works. I kind of like that. Let's check it out. No, it doesn't work. I made sure I was spinning it the right way. Oh gosh. Ooh, look at the pretty angel. The Heart of Christmas. Nesco. Huh. I wonder if people collect that. I might have to look that up, but let's look around first. Angel with a bisque. A star. A tree topper with a bisque angel. I'm not with it today. Oh boy. So my total spend at City Mission was $11 or $12, and I just spent $35 at Goodwill. I'm excited about the BLENKO. Oh, let me tell you about the BLENKO. Right when I put it in the cart, some lady came up to me. She collects BLENKO, so she offered me $60 cash, so I took it. That was probably the quickest sale I have ever done before. It was within a few minutes. And when I turned that over, it did say it had the sticker BLENKO on it, a BLENKO sticker. All right, I'm gonna go home and try to list some of these items on my eBay store and the Thrifting Twins eBay store, and Knickknack and Whatnot. All right, I'll see everybody next time. Bye.